So I now have a pet bird. Not actually gonna keep it, but he's just chilling in my hand. He landed on a fence, and as most birds tend to run when somebody walks up to him, he didn't. It's kind of cute. Hasn't tried to fly away or nothing. It's just relaxing in my hand. Wasn't even scared of the dog either. Like, I'm not even holding him. Like, he could fly away and he's not. It's adorable. I picked him up and he hasn't even tried to run. I know he's not sick or anything, because I saw him land on the fence just fine. He didn't stumble, he didn't do nothing. He landed perfectly, and now he's in my hand.